and my friend, we love to learn. We are happy when we learn. I and my friend, we love to learn. We are happy every time. I and my friend. It is a beautiful morning. It is time for Zuba to rise and shine.
It is time to wake up. It is 6 o'clock.
Oh, good morning, Miss Clark.
Good morning, Mwiza.
Today, Mwiza is going to visit her grandmother who lives far, far away. It is time for her to get ready for the trip ahead. Mwiza is ready for the trip ahead. She is not alone. She is going with her friend Miss Clark.
Uh-oh, don't forget about me. I will be going with you too.
What time is it, Miss Clark?
Look at me. Can you tell the time?
I don't know how to tell time. Would you please tell me?
Oh, don't worry. I will teach you along the way.
Thank you, Miss Clark.
Look, before I teach you how to tell time, I will first teach you parts of a clock.
The parts of a clock? You mean your legs and your hands?
Well, they are hands, but not these hands. Do you notice that there are 2 needles here?
Yes.
They are called clock hands.
Yes, I see the clock hands. One of them is short, the other one is long.
Excellent. The short hand shows hours.
Oh, it is pointing at 7 now. What does that mean?
It means that it is 7 o'clock.
When I woke up, it was pointing at 6. Does that mean it was 6 o'clock?
Now, let's try it again. What time would it be now?
It is still 3.
Excellent. You are right, Mwiza.
It is still 6.
Very good, Mwiza. Yes, it is still 6 and some minutes.
Miss Clark, how can I know the minutes?
We read the minutes using the other clock hand.
Oh, yes, the long one.
Exactly. It is called a minute hand.
I see. But is it time for lunch yet?
No, not yet. Lunchtime is at 12 o'clock. If you are hungry, we can have a snack and I tell you all about the minute hand.
We are happy every time.